HJ Garden 6 Tips 316x 1 inch 4.8x25 on large flange aluminum blind rivet self. Plugging open end, decorating fastener nails, pop rivets, core pulling rivets, grip Pange 11 16.34 inch 17.4 19. Type large flange aluminum blind rivet. Material made of high quality aluminum alloy, never rust, good anti-corrosion, property sturdy, light, durable, and long life. ISPINNER 100x 316x12 aluminum blind rivets, 4.8x 12.7 pop rivets. High quality. These rivets are made of aluminum grip and steel mandrel. With high performance of corrosion resistance and acid resistance, they are strong and durable. When installed, you will no longer worry about them rusting and breaking. Size: head diameter 3/16, grip length 1/2, flange diameter 3/8, grip range 6.08.0. Metal Magery 14 diameter x 38 length solid aluminum brazier head rivet. These brazier rivets are perfect for repairing boats, aircraft, making armor, blacksmithing, custom rat rods, John boats, and much more. High-quality aluminum. These brazier head rivets are made of high-quality aluminum which offers some of the highest forms of corrosion resistance, making it last longer than other hardware on the market today. Metal Magery 14 diameter x 12 length solid aluminum brazier head rivets. These brazier rivets are perfect for repairing boats, aircraft, making armor, blacksmithing, custom rat rods, John boats, and much more. High-quality aluminum. These brazier head rivets are made of high-quality aluminum which offers some of the highest forms of corrosion resistance, making it last longer than other hardware on the market today. ISPINNER 385x 8 sizes aluminum blind rivets, pop rivets, assortment kit silver. High quality. These rivets are made of aluminum grip and steel mandrel. With high performance of corrosion resistance and acid resistance, they are strong and durable. When installed, you will no longer worry about them rusting and breaking. ALLOYPRO 6 Tips large flange blind rivets, aluminum flange diameter 58/16 mm. Material aluminum alloy rivet body, corrosion resistant, never rust. Our hardware is very strong, good stability and long service life. Large flange has stronger riveting force, larger supporting surface, and special protection for soft materials. It is suitable for fixing soft surface materials and splicing objects in various indoor and outdoor scenes. 500x black rivets, pop rivets, assortment kit, Satantech 14 SA sizes aluminum rivets, 332, 18, 532, 316. Premium aluminum rivets. All of our pop rivets are made of high-quality aluminum and steel. Great performance in any environment because of corrosion resistance and acid resistance. No worry about rusting and breaking. 500x 14 standard sizes. This pop rivets assortment kit includes 500 pieces, 14 most used sizes for your various needs, including 45x 3/32x 1/4, 45x 3/32x 5/16, 35x 1/8x 1/4, 35x 1/8x 5/16, 40x 1/8x 3/8, 40x 1/8x 1/2, 40x 5/32x 5/16, 40x 5/32x 3/8, 40x 5/32x 1/2, 30x 5/32x 5/8, 30x 3/16x 5/16, 30x 3/16x 3/8, 25x3/16x1/2, 25x3/16x5/8, total 50x. Curie Pop Rivets Assortment Kit, 190 PC aluminum rivets set in 8 sizes, 1814. Wide range of size options. This aluminum blind rivets assortment kit comes in a variety of rich size options including 1/81/4, 1/85/16, 1/83/8, 1/81/2, 3/161/4, 3/165/16, 3/161/2, 3/165/8. Each size is clearly classified in the transparent storage box for easy selection and access.